In this video, I will be showing you how to update the Deepseek AI app on your desktop. Let's get started. I begin by opening a new tab in my web browser, clicking the search bar, and selecting the Deepseek AI login option from the drop-down menu. Once the search results load, I click the official Deepseek link to launch the main platform interface. After the page settles, I move my cursor to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. From the list, I scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, I navigate to the left sidebar panel, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click on About Chrome. The browser immediately begins checking for and downloading the latest software updates. I wait a few moments for the progress percentage to finish. Once it reaches 100%, a notification prompts me to restart, so I click the blue relaunch button. The browser quickly closes and restarts, automatically restoring my open tabs. The settings page now displays a green checkmark, confirming the application is fully up to date. I switch back to the Deepseek tab and click on the Open in App button in the top right header. A blue notification pop-up appears, and I click Open App Settings to review the application's window preferences and permissions. After checking the configurations, I close that tab. Finally, I return to the main Deepseek chat interface, click the message box, and type a prompt asking how successful entrepreneurs identify good business opportunities. I click the blue send arrow, and the AI smoothly generates a detailed, multi-phase response on the screen, proving that the updated app is working perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.